Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad life. She fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like, yeah, 5-6. Yeah, I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stop pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and egg, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and egg, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and egg, make profits. Light up, watching them hand, make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang. Hey, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. If you guys did not know, we are a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalists for Best Data Analysis Tool. We are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We do day trading, swing trading, and also cover long-term investing. We actually just released our 2024 stock market outlook report to all of our TTG members. So hope you guys are all enjoying that very much. But you see, we take that university level of curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that give you more information, help you make better decisions, and give yourself an edge. Unfortunately, most retail traders don't use them because they're so damn expensive, $5,000-6,000 a year, easy if you were to pay for them on your own. I know that's a lot of money. That's why we've spent years building relationships with these companies so we can put their tools on our platform at no additional cost to you. You join our platform, you get access to it, simple as that. These include Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, the Trade Ideas Scanner, TradingView's premium charting software, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, and so much more I'll get into later on in this live. But when you join, of course, you're going to get our courses, right? Of course, you get all of our trade alerts, but you're also going to get all of these tools. We're going to give you everything that you need to give you the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. Now, you also get access to thousands of our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find. Not to mention all the real-time trade alerts and the moderators and myself. There's 9 of us with you each and every single day, 9 professional traders calling out all of their trades, analysis, and answering questions. And those moderators and I have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80%, now going on roughly the last 4 years. If you're wondering why you should listen or pay attention to anything that we discuss on this live, it's because I didn't figure this out by watching YouTube videos, and I sure as hell didn't figure it out by sitting in Discord chats. I began my career trading for T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college in New York City, where they had me go through an educational training program before the fund let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but it was also the same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder and the head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we have helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries now, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you folks have all come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live on this channel with myself, other TTD Pro trading mods, and special guests drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, and trade ideas that can help you all become better traders. So if you've not yet done so, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. Wild and crazy day. Wild and crazy day today, guys, as this little market rally back to the upside. This market rally that we saw in November and December continues. We started out with a gap down in the markets, and then you pushed it back to fight back to go green and finish the day kind of flat. But then you had some chaos happen after the close. After the close, you had the SEC's X account was hacked. And it was reported falsely and incorrectly that the SEC had approved the Spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Now, there's many institutions that have applications in with the SEC, and it is supposed to be as early as tomorrow a definitive answer from the SEC on whether or not the Spot Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved, and if so, which applications get approved and which institutions will then have listed Bitcoin ETFs that is estimated to bring in anywhere from $50 to $100 billion of inflows into the cryptocurrency. There's a lot of hype and a lot of excitement behind that Spot Bitcoin ETF. It's a way that people believe it's going to really open the doors for institutional investment into the cryptocurrency. Now, you've had a lot of issues, obviously, over the last year or two. You had everything that went on with Binance. You had everything that went on with FTX. You have all these different people talking about, people getting wallets getting hacked and all this. And a lot of this has been a reason why institutions have been a little bit hesitant to get involved in the cryptocurrency as much as the retail investor community has. Now, you've seen a much larger adoption from the financial institutions in the professional world and arena into Bitcoin and into cryptocurrency, but it's widely expected that a Bitcoin ETF is going to be a way for institutions to start putting money to work in the cryptocurrency and feeling a little bit safer about putting that money to work. There's actually still some financial houses that do not offer cryptocurrency to their clients. And the thought is that a lot of those places, you could see that change with the listings of some spot Bitcoin ETFs. So it's no surprise that Bitcoin's been rallying these last couple of weeks as we were trading down in the 30s. Now you're sitting up here in the mid to high 40s as you're now making some, breaking out, making some new highs on the year today. And then you have this false alarm after the close. This false alarm after the close that I actually saw. It's interesting when we go ahead and we take a look at what happened after the close, when you see a lot of these stocks, once that news came out, the initial move, you had this quick pop and then bang, and these stocks all dropped, but they didn't move after the fact, which I think is one of the most interesting parts to this. You take a look at Coinbase, down sideways, Mara, down sideways, MicroStrategy, down sideways. Take a look even at the BITO, a Bitcoin ETF that you guys can see here. This is a common one that you can look at. This is not a spot Bitcoin ETF. This is just a regular Bitcoin ETF. And you guys can see that you had drop and then sideways. So the initial reaction in the market was to actually sell that news of the Bitcoin ETF being approved. But then once it came out that this was actually false, and then the SEC is like, no, wait, hold on. We didn't do that. That wasn't us. It wasn't any members of our staff. It was not us. We did not approve it yet. This is not an official announcement. We were hacked. Nothing happened. You didn't see a big recovery in Bitcoin. You didn't see a recovery in Coinbase. You didn't see a recovery in Mara. You didn't see a recovery in MicroStrategy. That's because, honestly, I think the whole world really is expecting and anticipating an approval of these spot Bitcoin ETFs. And honestly, you've seen this huge rally into this move, and it's very entirely possible that you can get a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. But if you do get a sell the news type of event within Bitcoin, I honestly do believe that it is a buyable pullback. I think it's something that people should be hoping and wishing for, because I actually do think that Bitcoin goes higher. And once you get this, you have to realize that any money that a spot Bitcoin ETF raises, any inflow that goes into those ETFs is going to have to be used to buy Bitcoin. So, and you also take a look, and I think Kathy Wood actually shared a really interesting piece of information, that there's 19 and change million Bitcoin in circulation. We know that, I think 22 million is the max that there will ever be. But I forgot the percentage that she gave a number out of the 19 million in circulation. I forgot. She said like 13 million of that is in long-minded hands, meaning that out of that 19 million circulation, 13 million of the Bitcoin, it was either 11 million or 13 million Bitcoin, has not moved in over 122 days, which insinuates that this is Bitcoin that is in wallets that people are holding for the long term, that this is not Bitcoin that is being actively traded by traders every day. This is something that people have bought and they've stashed away in their wallets and they do not intend on selling. So that does not leave you with a lot of Bitcoin to satisfy what is anticipated to be $50 to $100 billion of inflows into those spot Bitcoin ETFs. That money has to go to buy Bitcoin. That's why there's been such excitement around this. So everyone that's joining us from the Stockmaster app, everyone joining us from the Stockmaster app, welcome. The SEC was hacked, and this is everything that you guys need to know about it right now. Because the SEC, their X account, their Twitter account was hacked. They falsely reported that there was an approval. I personally believe that they will approve, the applications. They may not approve every single application. There are many institutions that have filed applications. I don't think they're going to approve all of them, but I do think they will approve a decent handful, maybe like 5 or 6, are probably going to get an approval. It's going to be interesting to see which institutions do get that approval. But nonetheless, I think that that's going to bring a substantial amount of inflows into the Bitcoin market. And I think that if you do get a sell the news type of reaction to it, and this could happen as early as tomorrow, you could get an official statement, an official decision from the SEC tomorrow. So again, all of our friends in the Stockmaster app, welcome. The SEC was hacked, and this is everything that you guys need to know about it right now. Okay. So it's funny too, because, the SEC says, oh, don't believe everything you read on the internet. The best source of information is the SEC. In one breath, they put that out on a tweet. And then shortly after, you get something that says, oh, no, wait, hold on. Don't believe us. Our account was hacked. It's kind of crazy. Oh, there it is. There it is. There's the man, the myth, the legend himself. Thanks to the wonderful world of AI. Oh, look at the clown noses in the audience too. Look at the guy in the back. The guy in the back. So it's going to be interesting, guys. It's going to be really interesting to see, what the SEC is going to. I still think they're going to announce that it's going to be approved. I just think that this is kind of a disaster for them, and it kind of have egg on their face, and it is just not a good look. It's not a good look. It's not a good look. So like I said, folks, I think that if you do get a sell the news type of event from this Bitcoin ETF, I do think that it is a buyable. I do think that it would be a buyable pullback and a buyable event and situation for us. I mean, you take a look at some of these crypto related stocks as well. They've had huge runs. They've had huge runs over the last couple of months as people have been anticipating this. I want to take a quick little second actually to give a very special happy birthday to a very special person. Everybody, every single person that is on this live stream right now, I want everybody to wish Pierce a very happy birthday. Pierce is, if you guys know Firefighter Greg, member of True Trading Group. Well, our honorary member, we actually have his son Pierce, who is also a member now of True Trading Group that we were able to work out with his father. So Firefighter Greg, his son Pierce, it is his birthday. Everybody wish Pierce a very happy birthday from the entire True Trading Group family and community. Pierce, young man, happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. So everybody wish Pierce a very happy birthday from the entire True Trading Group family. So back on over to the charts, folks. As I'm taking a look at Coinbase, I want to go over with you guys a trade idea that I'm focusing on and I'm looking at for Coinbase. So let's talk about, right? If we're going to say, if we look for if there's a sell the news type of event on Bitcoin, let's start looking at some opportunities for us to make some money from that. So when we take a look here at Coinbase, off this big rally, kind of a little bit of a bear flag here on the daily chart, looking like you might want to get a little bit more downside here. But then I think this 130 area is a spot you can look for longs on Coinbase. Okay, you've got this dark blue line on my screen. That's the 50-day moving average coming into play at 130. It was previously a level of support right here. It was resistance right here prior to that. And as we go all the way back here, we look left, it was a resistance level for us back here. And that, I think, is an area where we can try to get ourselves long Coinbase in the low 130s and then look for a move back to the upside if and when Bitcoin moves itself back to the upside after maybe a brief pullback on a sell the news type of event. But I want to see how quickly these spot Bitcoin ETFs raise capital. And I want to see how quickly these inflows and how much money comes into these ETFs. Because like you said, if you just can keep track of the amount of money that flows into these ETFs, which they will be reporting that as time goes on, that money just goes straight to buying the Bitcoin crypto itself. So I am bullish on it. In the long term, you also have the Bitcoin halving that's coming up in a couple of months. So that could be another catalyst for it. But I am bullish on it for actually the rest of this year. I actually think that, had a huge year last year, but I think it could have another pretty good year this year. And it's with these catalysts and with financial institutions kind of adopting crypto a little bit further and a little bit more, I do think that it does have more room to the upside. Okay, so that's one level that we can look at there for Coinbase. As far as Mara is concerned, or Mara, this is going to be $20. $20 is going to be the mark here for Mara. It's very, very crystal clear. If this thing gets back near $20, I think it is a stock that you got to put on your list, because if crypto does start to go up again, if you start to see that move in Bitcoin, you guys can see very clearly on my charts here, support levels there in January, resistance. This is of 2022, support, resistance in 2023. You broke out of it in the end of 2023, and then it became support there in 24. Now you're back to the upside. So similar to Coinbase, if you get a pullback on the back of a sell the news type of event, I think that's an area that you can look for a bounce back on Mara. So those are the two stocks that I would look at to play. You also have MicroStrategy. Not too many traders trade this just because it's so expensive. It's so expensive. But I think there's two levels that you can focus on here on MicroStrategy for the possible long entry, and that's going to be 530 and then 475. And those are just the two levels that I would look at there with MicroStrategy. But my main focus as far as how to make money from this whole Bitcoin situation is going to be Coinbase and Mara. Right? I don't really watch Riot all that much. I know a lot of people like to talk about Riot. It's nowhere near as strong as Mara. You can see Mara cleared out those July highs. Riot never cleared out those July highs. So Mara is significantly stronger than Riot. And it's a better trade. It's more volatility. There's more volume and liquidity, makes better moves. It's a better vehicle to trade. That's the one that I'm going to be focused on to make some money from. Okay. So it'll be Mara and Coinbase. Those are the two that I like best. And again, I do like Mara better than I do Riot. All right. So those are the two names, guys. Those are the two names I'd be looking at on ways for you to play the Spot Bitcoin ETF news. And again, for those that are just joining us, the SEC's Twitter account or X account was hacked and falsely reported after the close today that they had approved the Bitcoin ETF. And then the SEC came out very quickly and said, hold on a second. No, that was not us. Our account was hacked. No staff member at the SEC sent that tweet. So X is looking into, how the account was hacked and everything else there. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow, because they were supposed to give you an announcement and a decision tomorrow. So it's interesting that this happens one day early today and what the SEC is going to do about it, because they certainly have egg on their face. All right. They certainly have egg on their face. Today was another massive day for us inside of True Trading Group, folks. Not one, not two, but three more triple-digit gains called out inside of the TTG community. 1 day trade. Sorry about that. 1 day trade, 2 swing trades. And that now takes us to 12 triple-digit gains in the month of January. We finished off 2023 with an absolute bang. And 2023 was a streak of trading that I had never seen before in my entire life. 20 triple-digit gains in the month of October, which at that time was a personal best for us as a group. I'm not talking about me, right? All of our moderators collectively, there's 9 professional traders that are with you during the day, calling out trades, answering questions, giving you their analysis. You see their screens. They talk to you on the microphone, so you can listen in on the audio. And you get the real-time push notifications whenever our mods enter an exit position. So you know exactly when and what price our moderators get in and out of positions. You can follow them along if you so choose. We finished off the month of October with 20 triple digits. That was the most we've ever had in a single month. Then we shattered that record in November with 28. And then in December, fell just a little shy of that record with 27 triple-digit gains in the month of December. That finished off the year at 75 triple-digit gains to finish off the fourth quarter. Now you start 2024, first quarter, first month, January, and it's January 9th as I sit here today. It hasn't been 9 trading days. It's only 9 calendar days, okay? We've had 4, 5, 6 trading days so far in the month of January, and we already have 12 triple-digit gains. That is 2 triple-digit gains a day, most of which are actually swing trades. So for those of you that are saying, oh man, listen, all this sounds great. I would love to take advantage of this stuff, but the market's just not for me right now because I'm back at work. I don't have time to sit in front of a computer and stare at charts and scanners all day long and sit in a chat room. And my answer to you is neither do most of our members. We have 10,000 members in True Trading Group, and 82% of them work full-time jobs and have work over 40 hours a week. The rest of them are full-time traders and or just retired. The reason why so many of our members are able to make money while working busy full-time jobs is because our platform was literally built and centered around the average retail trader, which is not someone that sits at home in front of 9 screens and trades their butt off with 100 executions every single day. The average retail trader is just someone that's trying to supplement their income and make better decisions so that they never have to compromise on anything ever again for their family. So they never have to think twice about going on that special family vacation. So they never have to be embarrassed at the grocery store when they get to the checkout counter and have to put some items back because they're $50 over budget, or have to think to themselves, I have to hold back on how many holiday gifts that I buy for my kids because, we're a little tight on cash this month, to worry about making ends meet, worrying about, am I going to be able to pay my rent next month? The average retail trader is not just looking to make millions of dollars to buy a mansion and fly on private jets. Yeah, sure. Those things are all nice. Those things are great. And yes, we have had members of True Trading Group cross the 7-figure mark as members. Verified, true. Yes, we have. But the average person is just looking to make some extra money. And let me tell you something. The platform that we have allows people, regardless of where they come from, how much money they have or how much time they have or don't have, allow them a real, honest chance of achieving success and reaching financial goals that they never thought before were possible. And it's not because I worked on Wall Street and I share with you some special super top secret indicator or pattern that nobody in the world knows about. No, it is because True Trading Group exists to empower the retail trader. And when you have access to real professional level of education, similar to what I learned working at the fund in New York, you have access to the best damn trading tools that are available in this industry. And you are part of a community of like-minded traders that genuinely give a damn whether or not you succeed or fail. Your chances of success are drastically increased. And you shouldn't just take my word for it. I know that members of True Trading Group are doing well and making money, not because I think it, but because I see it with my own eyes and I hear it directly from their mouths. And I want you to hear it directly from them. Don't just trust me because I say it. I could be totally full of crap. I could be lying to you right now. How do you know that anything I'm saying to you is actually truth? So don't believe me. Believe your peers, believe your friends, your family members, and your coworkers, people that are in the exact same position right now that you are considering possibly putting yourself into, and that is inside of the True Trading Group community as a True Trading Group annual member. So I ask members of True Trading Group, those of you that are here with me tonight, I have a simple question to ask. If you are making money and becoming a better trader because of True Trading Group, type the number 1 in chat right now. SNTBZ says TTG saved my life. They say the secret indicator is a true professional education that TTG provides. So go ahead and type the number 1 if you are a member of True Trading Group and you are making money and you guys are becoming better traders. Now, for anybody that is on this live stream that is not yet a member of this trading community, my advice is to pay attention to how many people that you see type the number 1 on this side of the screen right here, because every single one of these people are members of True Trading Group that have been in the exact same position you find yourself in right now on a live stream. They learned more in an hour and a half with me on a live stream than they did in the entire last year trading on their own. Hell, some of these people even made money just from listening to my analysis that I share with them on live streams. I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I come on this live stream and I tell you exactly what I think is going to happen in the days to come. I don't just tell you about what happened today or yesterday. Of course, we'll review the action and we'll talk about the trades. We'll go over the relevant news. But I stick my neck on the line and I have no problem. I'm totally confident in sharing with you what I think is going to happen. And we can document it each and every single day on this YouTube channel for all to go back and see and be like, wow, look how right or look how wrong this guy was. Now, I'm not going to be right every single time. I don't have a 100% win rate. Nobody does. I don't claim to be right every single time. I'm going to be wrong. I'll have red trades. I'll have red days, but I'll tell you something. I'm right a hell of a lot more than I'm wrong. The moderators and I collectively as a group have been able to maintain a win rate of around 80% for now, roughly the last 4 years. So yes, I'm going to be wrong sometimes, but I'm right a hell of a lot more than I'm wrong. And many people realize that they're actually making money just from analysis that I shared with you on this live stream. Case in point, yesterday. If you attended my live stream yesterday, I told you exactly what I thought the market was going to do today. I told you word for word, price for price, exactly what I thought that the market was going to do today. And if you were watching that live stream yesterday, then you could have taken that analysis and made money from it today. Even though you weren't a member of True Trading Group, you could have taken that analysis and you could have made money from it. All you have to do is be on the live stream. And there's a lot of members in True Trading Group that realize that they realize that, wow, I come on this live stream totally for free. I get information. This information has allowed me to actually put myself in some profitable trades, make some money from it. And then they think to themselves, oh my God, imagine if I was actually inside of the community, in the platform, knowing when their traders are actually executing, getting in and getting out of positions. Imagine if I got to listen all day, every day, from pre-market to close, 9 professional traders' viewpoints and analysis on what they are seeing in the market and what they think is going to happen and how they are positioning themselves to make money. Imagine what I can do if I made $500 from just watching a YouTube stream. What could I do an entire year as a member of True Trading Group? That's why we have a 78% retention rate. 78% of our members stay with us. And it's because you just saw how many people are actually making money. If you were to invest less than $1,000 in yourself into a True Trading Group membership, and fast forward a year later, if that less than $1,000 investment turned into a $10,000 or $15,000 profit, would you renew your membership? Of course you would. But if you were losing money and you didn't learn anything, would you renew your membership? Of course you would not. Members of True Trading Group, I have another question for you. If you have been a member for longer than 1 year, or you are a lifetime member of this platform, type the number 2 inside chat right now. Type the number 2. If you have been a member for longer than 1 year, or you are now a lifetime member of our platform, type the number 2. Now, the people, again, that are on this stream that still, for some reason, don't believe the things that I'm saying to you, look at how many people are typing the number 2. And then ask yourself, put yourself in their shoes. Let's hypothetically say you joined True Trading Group today on January 9th of 2024. Let's fast forward a year from now, January 9th, 2025. If you didn't make any money, worse, you lost money, would you renew your membership? Not a rhetorical question. Would you renew your membership? No, of course you wouldn't. Why would you? It'd be a total waste of money, a waste of time, and a waste of energy. So then ask yourself, why the hell did all these people renew their membership? Why do 78% of our over 10,000 members from 115 different countries, why do they stay with us? It's because True Trading Group works. It's because True Trading Group is real. It's because I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. I'm going to tell you what I think you need to hear in order to make money, because that's why we're here. We're here to make money. Let's not get it twisted. And True Trading Group is a business. You don't want us to treat you like a charity. You pay money for a service. You pay money for access to tools. You pay money to be part of this community and to use the platform. And what we see from our members is that this platform and this community drastically increases traders' chances of reaching success. Now, can I guarantee your success? No, I can't. I wish I could. But we leave no trader behind at True Trading Group. Any member that is struggling, we actually hold what's called red to green workshops the first Wednesday of every month, where you could submit as a struggling trader questions, topics, lessons, things that you're having a hard time with. And then we host a live 2-hour workshop for free for any struggling member, where we will cover those topics and those issues that you say you're having a tough time with. And although I can't guarantee that you're going to just start making millions of dollars just because you join True Trading Group, I can guarantee you that if you join True Trading Group and you were unable to make back your membership fee at least once during your membership, I can guarantee you that I'm going to give you back double your money. That's because we believe so strong in the platform that we've created, and we stand behind the things that we say. And I want to prove that to you. And that's how we prove that to you by putting our money where our mouth is. Let me ask a question real quick. How many people are on this live stream that are not members of True Trading? Guys, do me a favor and just type the letters TTG. Type the letters TTG if you're not a member of True Trading Group. I just want to see who we have on here that's not part of the community. I'm going to get into kind of what happened in the markets today, some of our viewpoints on tomorrow. Just type the letters TTG for those of you that are not members of our community, just so I can see who's on here, so I know who I'm talking to. The Road Less Traveled, Kareem, Ted, Taking Profits, TCL, Team Tada. Let's go ahead and type TTG, folks, for those of you that are not members. Fat Muppet, Kelly, John. 10 toes down. That's like your slogan. Every live stream, 10 toes down says TTG puts the G in legit. We're going to get a t-shirt made. We're going to get a t-shirt made that says that. John, welcome. Excellent. Excellent. We're here. Listen, for those of you that are not members of True Trading Group, okay, so I just said something to you about a double your money back guarantee. I want you guys to listen to me real quick. I want you to hear me out for a second. Let me see. Catching up on bills. Missed last night. Finally ready to do this after watching for 6 months. Anyway, you can give me last night's price. No sob story. Single mom life is not easy, but I get it done. Comment here from Jesse Prescott. You know what, Jesse? You're actually in luck. Jesse, you're actually in luck. I will give you last night's price. I will give you last night's price. For those of you that are wondering why last night's price versus tonight is because the membership in True Trading Group is going up as time goes by. We ran a holiday sale. That holiday sale gave you a 61% discount on our membership for the year. The holiday sale had ended, and now that discount has dropped to just 57% off. Still an amazing price and deal for the things that you get, but not 61% off, 57% off. And we're going to be raising the price to well over $1,000 here in the coming day. So you are in luck. I will give you the price from last night, which is still keeps it under $1,000 for the entire year. Do yourselves a favor now. Those of you that typed TTG, just seriously hear me out. I wanted you to just see something. Go to ttgoffer.com. Just open up a web browser. Go to ttgoffer.com. Every single item that you see on that page is included when you join. There is not a single upsell, additional cost, or hidden fee for anything that you see on that page. Use this coupon code, TTG121. That's TTG121. You have to manually type that code in yourself, then click apply code, and you'll see the price will drop from over $2,000. It drops all the way down to $950. Okay. So you're going to go from over $2,000 down to $950. That's it for the entire year. No upsell for anything you see on that page. It includes all of our courses, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. You guys are going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data. Guys, honestly, if you just went to Benzinga directly to get their news feed and their congressional trading data, it's going to cost you over $1,000 a year. You can join True Trading Group for $950 here with this coupon code and get those things included, plus everything else that's on our platform, like TradingView's premium charting software, a simulator to let you practice with fake money but real-time data, the trade ideas scanners on our platform for you guys to use, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner, all of our AI trading tools. All of this is included when you join for the $950. This is why we were a nominated finalist for the Benzinga FinTech Awards for Best Data Analysis Tool. Okay, this is why, because we have taken $5,000 to $6,000 worth of tools that give traders an edge. We've brought them all under one roof for $950. Nobody else in our industry has been able to do that. you have access to it as a member of True Trading Group. And I mentioned before to you a double your money back guarantee. So let me elaborate on that. You have a little bit of skepticism. You have a little bit of doubt. You're not alone. More than half our members were skeptical before they joined True Trading Group. Now their only regret is they didn't join sooner. I'll prove that to you as well. Guys, do me a favor, my TTG members. This is the last question I'm going to ask you guys. I promise. I'm making you work tonight. Type the number 1 if you were skeptical of True Trading Group at first, and now your only regret is you did not join sooner. If that's the case, type the number 1. Now, those of you that typed TTG earlier that maybe you're on the fence, or you're like, I'm not really ready to join this, just pay attention to how many people you're going to see type the number 1. People that were skeptical, and now their regret is they didn't join sooner. And the reason why they didn't join sooner is because they're making money. And they realize that if I had joined months earlier or years earlier, they think about how much more money that I could have made and what better financial position that I could have myself in today if I had just joined a couple months earlier or a couple years earlier. We have some people that have watched this live stream for over a year before they joined True Trading Group, and they kick themselves in the ass every single day from here on out. But they are happy and glad that they actually finally made the decision to join. So for those of you that are watching that still have a little bit of skepticism, I will erase that last shred of doubt for you. I mentioned before we offer a double your money back guarantee to prove to you how much we believe in the platform that we've created. If you join our platform right now, tonight, you'll pay $950 for the whole year. I ask you to do 3 things. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend 1 study group. If you do those 3 things and actually use our platform and are still unable to make enough winning trades that equal the $950 membership fee, if you can't do that at least once during your membership, we will give you back double your money. That comes to $1,900 back in your pocket. I'm dead serious. The double your money back guarantee is right there on our checkout page. Go read it. It's real. It's right there. Go read it. Now, I can offer you this because, guys, our refund rate at True Trading Group is 2.134%. If our refund rate was 12%, I certainly would not be able to offer you double your money back. We'd go out of business, okay? I can't offer 12%, double your money. That's 24% of all of our revenue going back. I'd have to explain to over 30 employees why they're all out of a job. There's a reason why we have over 10,000 members from 115 different countries. There's a reason why 78% of our members stick with us. There is a reason why we are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews. There is a reason why Benzinga had us as a finalist for their best data analysis tool at the 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards. There's a reason why so many members are on this live stream, even though they spend every day with me for hours inside of chat. And I'm not saying you got to do all this within 30 days. You have the whole year. Take your time. Go at your own pace. No stress, right? Like you can't join something and you have all this stress of like, oh, I got to do all this in 14 days. Otherwise, I don't qualify for the money back guarantee. No, in True Trading Group, you have the whole entire year. Go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend the study group. And if you are unable to make back that $950 at least, we'll give you back $1,900. All you need to do is go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code I'm giving you, TTG121, click apply code. That price then drops down to $950. Check out, and you folks are good to go. If you have any questions at all about anything, send us a text message, 1-888-306-8783. That's 1-888-306-8783. John Barth says, are you locked in for the $950 every year for renewal? Yes, John Barth, you are. Great question. So when you guys join True Trading Group, the price you pay when you join is the price that you pay for life. So when your renewal comes up next year, it does not matter if our membership is $2,500. You will only pay the $950 when you renew. So John, great question. Okay, so yes, if you pay $950 tonight, it doesn't matter. Next year, the price could be $2,200, $2,500, doesn't matter. When it comes time to renew, you'll only pay the $950 to renew. You're grandfathering yourself in at that price. And guys, any other questions? I'm being dead serious. We're an open book. We're fully transparent. All of our trader history is on our is on our website under our trader history tab that you guys can see every single execution that all of our moderators make, every buy, every sell, every win, every loss, every single execution is loaded from our brokerage accounts onto our website for all to see. We hide nothing. We hold nothing back. If you have any questions about anything, the courses, the money back guarantee, anything, send us a text message to 1-888-306-8783. All right, that phone number is right down there at the bottom of the screen. Text us if you guys have any questions. Back on over to the charts, guys. What we did yesterday on this live stream, I explained to you guys that yesterday I explained to you exactly what I thought the markets were going to do today. And if you guys watched our live stream yesterday, we drew a line across 471, and we told everybody right here on this YouTube channel that we believed that if the market pulls back into 471.50 is the exact price I said on the live stream last night. Exact price. I said, guys, 471.50, look to get long, look for the market to push back up to yesterday's highs. That is verbatim what we said on this live stream just 24 hours ago. It's right here on the YouTube channel. You don't believe me, don't care. It's there for you to see. Go watch it. Like I said, I come on these lives and I tell you what I think is going to happen the next day, the next week, and so on. I don't just talk about what happened yesterday. I told you very specifically that you had this previous level of resistance right here. Resistance, 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 right? Prior to that, it was support. Well, we broke through that level yesterday and we rallied. And that's why I told people yesterday that I think you can use this level now as support. 471.50 is the number that we gave. Well, look at the low of the day today. The low of the day today is 471.35. And what did the markets do after we hit 471.35? Straight to the upside. True or false, members? True or false? Members can just type true or false if the things that I'm saying to you are factual. Because the people that aren't inside of chat, you guys don't know. You guys don't know. You guys don't see this analysis. You don't see the trade executions. 3 triple-digit gains today. 3 triple-digit gains today. It's 12 on the month. 2 were swing trades. One of them was SEDG. This has been a swing trade. It's been going on for the last several days. You guys can see once we broke beneath this key support level, you see the previous pivot low there on the 3rd. You broke underneath that area on the 4th. You can see it became resistance again, another test for good measure on the 5th. And the stock is absolutely melted away. And that's good for an over 100% gain for members inside a True Trading Group today. That marked our 10th triple-digit gain of the month. And then you had Tesla. This was also a swing trade. This was a short that was entered yesterday, and that stock completely fell apart today. You can see it just rolled itself out of bed, and it was profits, 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 profits into that sell-off in the morning. That also gave you another triple-digit gain on the day. That is good. That was good for our 11th triple-digit gain. And these are swing trades. These 2 were swing trades. These are trades you could have got in yesterday or actually 2 days ago or 3 days ago on the SEDG. You guys could have been in those positions and then exited those positions today. These are not trades you've got to be in front of your computer for every single trade execution. Think about this. Ask yourself. You're like, oh, I can't do this. I'm busy. I'm busy during the day. Okay, cool. Do you have a phone? I assume you all have a phone. And I'm assuming you all have a smartphone. Now, we have a mobile app at True Trading Group. You can download it on iPhone or Android. It allows you to get real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit positions. So ask yourself, are you able to get a notification during the day that says, oh, Shai just bought Tesla put options? Okay. You can log into your phone on your Webull, your Thinkorswim, your Robinhood, whatever you use. Buy put options on Tesla, set a stop loss, right? Control risk. You always got to set a stop loss. Our moderators tell you where our stop losses are too. That helps you guys figure out where you want to get out of the position in case we're wrong, because you can't just get crushed every time you make a losing trade, right? Losing's part of trading. You're going to have losing trades. You just can't get hurt when you're wrong. You just got to lose a small amount when you're wrong. All right. That's it. We have an 80% win rate. Lose a little bit during the 20% of the times that we're wrong. So set a stop loss, put your phone down. Could you have done that yesterday? At any point during the day, could you have done that yesterday? And then fast forward to today, 10 o'clock in the morning. Ding, oh, you get another notification on your phone. It says, Shai just took profits on the Tesla puts. She's still holding some. Great. I bought 3 contracts yesterday. I'm going to log in. I'm going to sell 1 contract. I'm going to put my phone back down. You get another notification. 45 minutes later, Shai just took more profit. Whoa, these are now up 85%. Great. I'm going to log in. I'm going to sell 1 more contract. But Shai said she's still holding some. So I'm going to hold on to 1 contract. I'm going to put my phone back down. And then 20 minutes later, another notification. Wow, she just took profit again, 113%. You know what? I'm good. I'm going to log in. I'm going to sell my final contract. I'm done for the day. All in a good day's work. Can you do that? Ask seriously. Think about it. Like, play the scenario out in your mind. Can you actually do that? Salty Bear, who's a recent new member, says, just follow the mod alerts and that joining fee is going to fade into the night. And Salty Bear just joined like a week ago. Salty Bear just joined a week ago. On Salty Bear's first day, they made back half the membership fee. Yes, Tania, great job. Tania goes, Mike, that is exactly what my day was like today. Tania says that's exactly what my day was like today. Yes, Shai absolutely crushed this Tesla trade. And that's all it takes. That's all it takes. It doesn't take hours in front of a computer screen. It doesn't take, hours of you sweating and, watching charts and trying to guess, and wait for news releases. No, there's 9 professional traders that are with you during the day. Lean on us to do the heavy lifting for you. Follow the alerts if you choose. Go through the courses. Use the app. Use the platform. What do you have to lose? Double your money back guarantee is there. Give you peace of mind. Hold us accountable. I don't think you need it, but it's there. That was our 11th triple-digit gain on the month. We weren't done, though. Uni comes in heavy with the Amazon. Monster of a trade here. Call options on Amazon. Beautiful support off prior day, previous high. You guys can see we opened up. You can see a previous resistance level on Amazon yesterday. We opened up right at it, and then you double bottomed it. And as soon as you double bottomed it right here, that's a double bottom at a prior day's high resistance. You got the double bottom, and as soon as you got the double bottom, Uni steps in right here, buys call options on Amazon, and then wouldn't you know, the stock just rips face the entire rest of the day. I do believe Uni is still in a piece of this position, but is already taken off profits into this move, over a 100% gain on those trades. Susie Laurie, congratulations. Wow, Susie Laurie has an $1,800 account, and in the last 2 days has made $1,036. It's amazing how fast that account can grow when you're doubling up almost every other trade. Right? 12. Now listen, you're not going to catch every single triple-digit gain, right? You're not going to catch every single one. Let's be realistic, okay? We've had 12 so far in the month of January. Could you have caught 2? Maybe 3? I think so. Think right now, if you made 2 or 3 trades that gained over 100%, what would that do to your account? Serious question. Think about it. Because we've got a big week. And I told you at the start of this week, I told you on Sunday night that this was going to be a banner week. And it is starting out to be exactly that, with 3 more triple-digit gains today. 3 more. I listened to Uni all day on Amazon. I made my first triple-digit gain today. Robo Geek, great job. First of many. First of many, Robo Geek. First of many. Mods teach you to fish so you won't go hungry. Amen to that. Way to go, Robo Mutt. Look at this. The age of the robots. Caught Amazon and AMD today. Great job. Two beautiful trades. AMD and Amazon with two beautiful trades today. So, folks, again, if you want to start taking advantage of these trades, go to ttgoffer.com and use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $9.50. That's it. Everything you see on that page, you get, no upsell included. Now, we have other things that you could buy that do cost a little bit more money. Like we have like these 2-day intensive boot camps. We have 9-week accelerator programs. We have in-person meetups. But everything you see on that page is included when you join the $9.50. You got the double your money back guarantee, folks. Any questions, text us. Don't hesitate. 1-888-306-8783. Now, it's funny that we're starting the week off with such incredible trading action because we haven't even gotten to the good stuff yet. And the good stuff is coming in the form of CPI and PPI data. Do you trade 0 DTE at all or just stocks? We trade everything, Randy. So in True Trading Group, we trade stocks, we trade options, and we trade futures. We also trade crypto. So there is literally something for everyone. Remember, there's 9 professional traders that are with you. We all have different styles. Some day trade, some swing trade, some do both. Some trade stocks, some trade options, some trade futures, right? So there's something literally for everybody inside True Trading Group. So many of our members do trade 0 DTEs. We actually have one of our moderators, Gio. Gio is a former market maker. He's a professional trader with 25 years of experience. He trades 0 DTEs in the SPY. You take a look at Heather Hill. Yeah, there she is. Heather Hill. We call it Heather Hill's the 0 DTE queen. Heather Hill has actually successfully taken a like $800 account and has grown it to
it's a $500 account that when I spoke to her today briefly, I said, hey, between you, me, and the fence, which is now it's no longer, I said, how many times did you do this over the last year? And she said at least a dozen.
In 2023.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Starting with a $500 account, trading 0 DTE with no margin, just $500 cash account for margins, trading 0 DTE, turned it into 10 grand, paid herself, and then started over.
Yep. Heather, facts or no? Heather's right here. You have to take our word for it. Heather's right there. She's literally right here in the YouTube chat. But
yeah,
are we lying, Heather? Yeah, it's crazy. Yo, Colin, what's up? Yeah, it's crazy, guys. Yep, there she goes. Heather says 100%. Yeah, she's done it multiple times.
And Heather is someone who does not hesitate. Like, like the first couple times I heard it, I was like, that's crazy. And she flat out sent us screenshots of everything. I mean, I use Heather as the example when new people sign up and they're like, I don't have a lot of money, whatever. I'm like, look, we got this woman. She's in chat. This is what this is what she does. This is literally her entire game plan is forcing herself into risk management, trading 0 DTE, which those two things, they either go hand in hand or you blow up your account. Right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
So
it's
with
funny,
0 DTE, if you are not rock solid in your risk management, you're gonna blow up.
Yeah.
And
0 DTEs are dangerous. 0 DTEs are high risk, high reward, but a 0 DTE can go up 200% in minutes, but it can also go down 50% in minutes. So you've got to really, control your risk. And what we've actually seen from members, and Adam, you could attest to this. I know you've talked to a lot of people too, but what we actually see from members is that the people that have smaller accounts actually do a lot better over time because they instill that risk management from such an right from the beginning, right from the get-go, because they have to protect that account. When someone starts with like 100 grand, they're very lackadaisical with their risk. They'll lose 25K, on doing something stupid that they shouldn't be doing. And it's like, they just kind of throw caution to the wind versus someone with a $500 account is like, every dollar counts. I can't do something stupid. I can't take some crazy gamble. I've got to make sure all my trades are.
It is a major advantage. Most people, what happens is, people come into True Trading Group and they're like, all right, I don't have a lot of money to start with, but I have like $5,000. And I'm like, well, have you ever traded before? Do you have experience? And they're like, no, I'm going to learn, but I got like 5,000 to play with. I'm like, well, why? Why even start with that much? We have a simulator. You can start with a couple $100. If this is not something you need to put food on the table next week or pay your rent next week, then do yourself a favor and give it a little bit. Blow up as many simulated accounts as you want.
Yeah.
That's why it's there.
Make your mistakes with fake money.
Your mistakes with fake money.
Then learn from them. Yeah, what Heather's been able to accomplish is nothing short of amazing.
Yeah, and for all of our members, I have been trying to get Heather to do a boot camp on this for a long time. Actually, not even a boot camp. I've been trying to give Heather a job for a long time. Heather's the only person that's a part of True Trading Group that has an open invite. But the thing is that Heather's like pretty successful on her own. And she's busy, man. She's got a family she takes care of. Her and I spoke today, and she was telling me that she's a single mom to 3 kids. And one of her kids is like 36. Her son Owen is a new lifetime member, so she's keeping it in the family. But this woman's a single mom and has really, owned multiple businesses and real estate, and now a successful trader. I mean, look, in True Trading Group, we do have male moderators and pro traders, but there's a lot of the women in True Trading Group are absolute rock stars, really. Just phenomenal traders.
They really are. They really are. I mean, honestly, and we have such an incredible team of moderators. It's just there's just so much talent and so much experience and so much professionalism.
Yeah, I wish I had something to do with spotting that. I mean, really, I feel like it's such a missed opportunity on my part, to put that team together.
Totally. You really dropped the ball.
I know.
You'd be ashamed.
I am.
You should be.
I am totally embarrassed and ashamed. But no, all of the mods are great.
Yeah.
All of them are great. They're all doing wonderful. Truth, though, I don't care about gender. Are they good at what they're doing, male or female? Yeah, absolutely. You should care a little bit about gender in this space when we're talking about it. Why do I say that? I've been in the financial sector for many years, my entire professional career. I'm a huge data person. Typically, your audience, when you talk about active traders and investors, typically your audience is 70% male and 30% female. Now, yeah, it doesn't matter who's a mod, male, female, whatever, right? But as somebody that has a daughter and would like to see like my daughter become empowered and become standing on her own 2 feet and becoming financially, independent later in life, it is cool to see more women step up to the plate, because for so long it was, this was a guys club forever. And I think more diversity is great. It's great for business too.
It's been a male dominated industry for a while.
So
sure.
I think it's great. I don't care if it's a, male, female, whoever, that's, as long as they're doing right by our members and they're giving people the opportunity to make money and they're educating properly. I mean, I don't really care what you are, what you classify yourself. It doesn't matter. None of it matters.
And what's funny too, there's actually been a lot of studies that have been done that they actually say that female fund managers have actually, like as a group, female fund managers have actually slightly outperformed male fund managers. And it is attributed to when they actually break down the average risk taking that's done is they say that the female fund managers control their risk a lot better than male fund managers. They say male fund managers are the ones that usually take on more risk. And therefore when they're right, they can hit it really big, but when they're wrong, they also can get hurt. And they see, as far as consistency over time, they see the female fund managers. So there's been a lot of studies about this on Wall Street. And it's just an interesting little factoid. So I'm not surprised to see Heather Hill just dominate, controlling risk, growing small account, $500 up to 8 to 10,000, takes the money out, starts at 500 again. Did it 12 times last year. It's just nuts.
Heather, I guarantee you, if you ever, she goes, I identify as Geo. That's awesome. Oh, I just had a stupid idea.
What?
They have the same trading style, don't they?
They similar.
Geo trades 0 DTE.
Geo trades
right?
0 DTEs, yes.
He's an okay trader, right?
Yeah, just a former market maker. No big deal. No big deal.
Ooh.
I can hear your mind thinking. I
bet you if you paired Geo and Heather in a boot camp where you focused on 0 DTE, I bet you anything that boot camp gets well over 1,000 people that sign up.
I would have to agree.
Where they focus primarily on Heather's style. No pressure, Heather.
We didn't even Heather,
who's literally told me no 3 times today. I told Heather, I said, Heather, I will guarantee you, whether it sells or not, I will guarantee you X.
We're gonna the whole community is gonna just guilt trip Heather into doing a boot camp. That's hilarious.
All right, yeah, he did. Yeah. I said, whether it sells or not, I will guarantee you X. And she's like, I can't.
Wow.
So when you see Heather and ST, here we go. When you see Heather and STR,
here we go. She goes. Here we go.
When you see Heather and STR later, let her know that you would, let her know if it's something you would be into.
No pressure, Heather. No pressure.
So, yeah, no, there's no link to post. I have nothing. I haven't even talked to Geo. I just saw someone mention Geo, and then I was like, oh, that's a good idea. But whatever. We need. I got to get. Yeah. Anyways, I'll talk to Geo. But I'm gonna have to flex some of my Jewish guilt here a little bit more on Heather. So we'll see how it goes. All right. This is all. Thank you.
Oh, no pressure, Heather. No pressure. So yeah, we have CPI data that's coming out on Thursday. And listen, there's a lot riding on this. I think there's a lot riding on this CPI number because everybody expects a rate cut in March. But in order for you to get a rate cut in March, inflation's got to continue to come down. So if you get like a hotter than expected CPI, that's going to probably see the probability of a rate cut in March go down. And that would see yields go up and that would see stocks go down as well. And if that number comes in hot, I'm going to get short and I'm going to stay short until the market gets to this level that I drew for you on my screen. This is only if we get a hot CPI number. And when I say hot, I'm talking about really if the core number is above expectations, then I feel like it's expected to come in 3.8. If it comes in at like 4.0, then you just got to get short and stay short until you get to this level. And then you might try to bounce off of this level. It's a huge support level. I think that level needs to be tested. I think it will be tested some point this year. Whether it happens right now or not is going to be based on that CPI number. If the CPI number comes in under expectations, or even if it just comes in, right in line, I don't think that you're going to see the market go all the way down to here. I think that'll happen if you get a hot number.
Oh, dude, I messed up. We got to welcome Alex.
Oh, Alex.
People have been signing. Damn it. I'm sorry. We got to welcome Alex.
Alex, what about the woman that was asking about the?
Not yet.
Alex, welcome to the family. Yeah, Jesse. Thank you. Her name was Jesse. Thank you, Joe. So Alex, welcome to the family. Newest member of the group, guys. Welcome Alex to the TTG family. Welcome Alex. Guys, remember, I'm going to keep that $950 price point for tonight, but at midnight, that price is going to jack it up well over $1,000. Okay. So Alex, welcome to the family, the newest member of the group. Jesse, we're waiting on you. We're waiting on you. You asked me for this, Jesse. We did this for you. But yeah. So I think there's a lot riding on this. This is the level of resistance that the market was going to be getting to. We also talked about this yesterday on the live stream. We got right to it. I think we can kind of consolidate a little bit. I think we can stay in this range for tomorrow. I think we can stay inside of this range for tomorrow. I don't think the market's going to do this tomorrow. I don't think you're going to get like a big breakout day tomorrow before the CPI number. I think the market might just sit here, and then if the CPI number is like well under, then you break out. And if the CPI number is hot, then you're going to roll it back down and you go down to this level down here. Not in one day, but over the next like 2 to 3 days, you would get down to this price point. Is what I'd be like, oh, we have to welcome Jasenia. Is that Jesse? Was that the woman from before? We don't know. Their name was Jesse on the thing. Their name when they signed up is Jasenia. I'm going to assume it's the same person. If it is, great. If not, it's a new person. Excellent. But Jasenia, welcome to the family. Newest member of the group. Jasenia, welcome to the TTG family. Newest member of the group, guys. Everybody again, welcome Jasenia. So those are my thoughts with regards to the overall markets. I think we might take a little bit of a breather day tomorrow as we wait for the CPI. And then CPI, I think, gives us the green light, because you're either going to get the markets are either going to really feel confident and solidified in a rate cut in March if inflation is light, but the market's going to be very concerned if inflation is hot of the Fed not cutting rates. Okay. Now, if the number comes right in line with expectations, I think that you could see, maybe like a little bit of an attempt of a push to a new all-time high and then a pullback off the all-time high. Something that maybe looks like this, where it's like you try to push up to an all-time high, like print it and then pull it back. And then you'll get profit take off that is kind of what I'm thinking. If it comes in line with expectations, is something that I think is a likely possibility. We'll talk about it also more tomorrow. Remember, this number comes out Thursday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. All right. So, folks, that's it. That does it for the analysis and the kind of the recaps of the day. We talked about obviously crypto and Bitcoin and everything else. So, hope you guys really enjoyed that. Again, go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops all the way down to the $950. And then just check out, and you guys are good to go. Price is over $1,000 tomorrow, so make sure you guys grab it now. For those of you that are not interested in a membership, I'm done with the analysis stuff, so you can make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for us before you guys go. If you are interested in a membership, let me actually show you guys the platform so you can see exactly what you're going to get when you do join. So you see exactly what the $950 gets you, right? So when you join, it's an all-inclusive membership. So you're going to get access, obviously, to our chat room. Chat rooms where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades, answering questions, providing commentary with you guys from pre-market all the way through to the close. We're not gone after an hour and you're just left to fend for yourself. We're there the whole day. You got the real-time push notifications that get sent out when our mods enter and exit positions, so you can follow along with all the action. 2 small private study group sessions with our mods to speed up your learning curve. Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. Congressional trading data That stuff just alone would cost you $1,000 a year if you went to Benzinga. It's included when you join us for $950. TradingView's charts is about $600 a year. If you go to TradingView directly, it's included when you join us for the $950. The Trade Idea Scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use. There's a simulator that lets you practice trading with fake money. There's our own proprietary scanner to let you create your own custom scan. You get all of our AI trading tools and our AI trading assistants. You're going to get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. You guys might pay for some of this stuff already. It's very expensive data. It is included when you guys join our platform. A trading journal will track your trades for you. A social sentiment scanner will tell you what's being talked about most on social media. Our stock profile tool will give you downloadable PDF reports with including analyst ratings on any stock that you are interested in. You're also going to get a watch list every day from the mods and I, showing you what stocks that we're focused on with detailed entry and exit prices, so you know exactly where to focus your attention before the day starts. You're then going to get access to all the courses, a simplified and expanded upon version of the training I received working at the fund, beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. You get access to it. There's also a video library with over 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics. You can start attending these workshops live when you become a full-time member. Now, gang, like I said to you before, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group. But if you do join and you go through our courses, you pass our quizzes, you attend one study group, and you fail to make the $950 membership fee back at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $1,900. Yes, the refund is real. Yes, it is right there on our checkout page. Go read it. You have any questions at all, do not hesitate. Text us 1-888-306-8783. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the live. Smash that like button. Show some love. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys all.